Exploring the pharmaceutical industry in India. Indian pharmaceutical industry has as many as 20,000 registered firms, including MNCs and small-scale entities, directly or indirectly involved in the business of selling medications. The Indian pharmaceutical industry is a significant one. Hello and welcome to Jix Chemical Limited. I am Vinita, and in this video we are going to discuss about Indian pharmaceutical sector basics, terminology and jargons used in this industry. We will discuss briefly about APIs, intermediates and formulations, which is the main part of pharma supply chain. India has the reputation of producing medicine at the lowest cost in the world. India also boasts the distinction of being the world's largest exporter of generic pharmaceuticals. The following are some key terms used in the pharmaceutical sector. API, active pharmaceutical ingredient. API is the fundamental part of medicine, also known as bulk drug, that has the desired therapeutic pharmacological qualities. API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, is the most important ingredient in pharmaceuticals. It is the primary treatment of the symptoms developed. There are numerous companies that specialize in the production of APIs. Companies either buy intermediates from multiple players or mix them to make a final API, or they make all the intermediates themselves and blend them at their own location. Intermediates, most chemical reactions are sequential, meaning they require more than one elementary step to complete, and the product manufactured during the production of an API is referred to as intermediate. Pharmaceutical intermediates are chemical molecules that make it up the active pharmaceutical ingredients building blocks. Pharmaceutical intermediates are created as a byproduct of the API manufacturing process. Bulk drug intermediates are medications used as raw materials in the manufacturing of bulk drugs, or a molecule produced during the synthesis of an API before it can be used as an API. It must go through more molecular changes or processing. Finished dosage or formulation. The form in which we ingest the drug is known as finished dosage or formulation. A drug's dosage form is normally made up of two components: the active pharmaceutical ingredient API and the excipient, which is the tablets or liquids material. Pharmaceutical formulation is the process of combining different chemical ingredients, including the active medicine, to create a finished therapeutic product in pharmaceutics. The term formulation is frequently used in conjunction with the term dosage form. Pharmaceutical formulation is divided into two categories or classifications, which are as follows: oral formulations, topical drug forms. Oral formulations are separated into two categories: tablets and capsules. Topical drug forms. The class includes the following components: cream, ointment, gel, paste and powder are different types of creams. Finally, we can summarize. Pharmaceutical industry's supply chain is made up mainly of manufacture of API from intermediates, raw materials and solvents. Second, drug formulation. API is formulated into tablets or capsule dosage forms by mixing with excipients. Drug delivery into body for therapeutic treatment. Jix Chemical Limited is a market leader in chemicals and pharmaceutical industry, with good contacts and relations maintained with customers and suppliers. Manufacturers, please contact us for your requirements of pharmaceutical API intermediates, chemicals and solvents. Visit our website jixchemical.com. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.